Good morning, preschoolers. Today we are going to look at the letter V. V. Can you think of another word for a car or anything that has wheels and moves? It's called a vehicle, right? How about this type of vehicle also starts with a V. It's longer than a regular car, and it looks like these in the pictures. It's called a van. Good. And now let's look at some bird words. There's a vulture or a hawk. Which one starts with a V? Vulture or hawk? If you said vulture, you're right. Vulture starts with V. Which musical instrument starts with V? A piano? This is a violin, and I know that because it has strings like a guitar, but it also has this. You play a violin with a bow. This is a guitar. It looks kind of similar, but it has a hole right here, and you use your hands to play the guitar. You play it with your hands. So is it piano, violin, or guitar? Right, violin starts with a V. V. Which one of these words starts with a V? Fruits, flowers, or vegetables? What did you notice about fruits and flowers? They both start with, right, they both start with F, like firefighter Fred. So which one starts with V? Vegetables. Good. Which one of these color words starts with a V? I want you to notice this one is called turquoise. And this is a rock that's found in nature that people also use to make jewelry, and it's called turquoise. A lot of our color names come from things in nature. So this is a color and a type of stone or rock called turquoise. This color is called violet, and it is named after this flower, which is also called a violet. And this color is ruby, and it is named after a stone. Another kind of stone that people use to make jewelry is called a ruby. So, which color starts with V? Is it turquoise, violet, or ruby? Violet, right. Good for you. Where else could you find a V? I was thinking about things close to my house, and there are some signs outside that I found a V. This is the Valero gas station, and it starts with a V, and I have one of these right next to my house. And on street signs, some streets have this called street. ST means street. But other streets might have an A and a V, avenue. And the AV, and sometimes there's an E, stands for avenue. And some streets are called avenue, and avenue has a V. I was also thinking at the store, on the packages of things, I could find some V's. This is some soap, and you'll see it's called Ivory. And look, there's the V right there. And then this is at Walmart. Their store brand is called Great Value, and value starts with a V. And this is something you can put on your skin if it's too dry. It's called Vaseline, and it starts with a V. And this symbol is to let people know if they don't eat meat, they are called vegetarian. And this symbol means that whatever they're buying at the store is made for them. It's vegetarian. And then I thought about I could also look through my book basket and I could find some V's on the title of my books. I found this book called The Velveteen Rabbit, and look, it has a V there and another V there. And this book called Love You Forever. I found a V here and a V here. And this book called The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and right there is my V. So I want you guys to look around your house or outside if you go on a walk and see if you can find a V.